Hi, I'm Harris Waddles with Amba Products, and today we're taking a closer look at our traditional collection of heated towel racks. The traditional collection brings together timeless design and everyday comfort in a way that feels both familiar and refined. Defined by its classic silhouette and traditional style finials at the corners, it brings a more decorative, established look to the bath while delivering the simple luxury of a warm, dry towel whenever you need it. The collection is available in two stocked sizes, the T2040 and T2536, making it easy to suit everything from more compact bathrooms to larger primary suites. Each rack is made from mild steel and built for dependable daily performance with a look that remains elegant and enduring. The traditional collection also stands out for its finish selection. It is stocked in polished nickel and brushed nickel, along with the recently added brushed bronze and brushed modern brass, giving it a refined palette that works beautifully across a wide range of bathroom styles. Every model in the traditional collection is hardwired for a clean built-in appearance and is designed to be paired with a separate wall switch or timer for easy control within the space. Once installed, these liquid-filled towel warmers gently warm and dry towels, helping reduce moisture and keep them fresher between uses. That means less dampness, fewer musty odors, and a more comfortable daily routine. With its classic styling, distinctive detailing, expanded finish range, and reliable performance, the traditional collection offers a timeless way to bring warmth and comfort into the bath. For more information, visit ambaproducts.com.